So I'm here with Steve, and he's kindly going to fly the new MinimumRC Mirage 2000 for me. This got a tiny little EDF in it, similar to the Red Arrow's BAE Hawk and the F-16 that I reviewed not too long ago. This is the third in the series, I think, with an F-86 coming out imminently as well. So again, it's really easy to put together. You just get it out of the box and you glue on the wings, the nose and the vertical fin, hook up the control surfaces, and you're ready to go. It's already bound to the radio, which has 3 modes, Steve, so auto leveling, stabilization and manual. And they recommend taking off in auto level mode, and then when you're happy, clicking the button and going into stabilized mode. Right. Give it a go?
Yep.
All right, let's do it.
Give it a go.
No wind.
Ready?
Yep. So I think it's the 30mm EDF in this. Really small.
See what it's like when it slows up.
Okay. Brushless as well. Nice roll. And that's on the stabilised mode now, is it, Steve?
Yep. Yeah, so just after...
Just after takeoff, you
launch,
click the button.
Yeah. I think you can just see the stabilisation just helping it along.
Helping it a little bit. Well, there's not wind today, so... Alright, I've got 2 other batteries, so you want to bring it in for landing?
Yeah.
We'll call that a maiden flight. Where you gone? Where you gone? There you go. Beautiful!
Lands nicely.
Yeah. Keep the nose up.
Yeah, just keep the nose up and just flare, and it just sits there nice.
Yeah.
Really good.
Alright, so we like that. It's got a good, pretty reasonable turn of speed for a 30mm fan, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, yeah. It's really good. It's pretty good when you slow it up as well.
It's all wing, isn't it? So
yeah, back off the throttle a bit and it's still pretty stable, which I thought it might not be, but no.
And the stabilisation doesn't interfere too much?
No, not at all. You can feel it just a little bit, but it's not crazy. It's not too much. You still feel like you've got all the control you ever want on it.
Brilliant.
Yeah, really good.
Right, so that's the MinimumRC Mirage 2000 just come out. Link for this in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Steve.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers, bye. Beautiful.